Welcome to this SVG ANIMA tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to create SVG translation animations. To start, select the element you want to animate by clicking directly on the image until you reach it, or select it from the tree in the left-hand panel. Next, click Animate, then Translate. Set the duration of your animation, then move the cursor in the timeline to create new keyframes. Now add animation steps. Each step creates a new keyframe in the timeline at the bottom. Enter new values to move the left player along the y-axis. Let's apply the same process to the right player. You can easily duplicate, modify, or delete keyframes from the right-hand panel. Simply right-click on the item you wish to modify. Let's animate the ball. You can either move the element directly to its new position or manually enter the X and Y coordinates. Use whichever method works best for you. Zoom in or out by holding the Control key and scrolling. Let's reset the values. Notice how the ball follows the X and Y path. Since the right player returns the ball, we'll move it to a new spot. Choose your preferred method: direct movement, entering coordinates, or a combination of both. Now, let's bounce the ball off the top wall. Add a new keyframe and move the ball back to the left player. Great. Apply the same technique to the next few moves. To test your animation, press play or hit the spacebar. Let's finish by adding a final bounce on the floor. For a continuous loop, check the infinite box to repeat the animation indefinitely. You can also adjust the animation duration. To shorten it without changing each keyframe manually, uncheck the Keep Times option and reduce the total duration. If Keep Times is unchecked, the keyframe times automatically adjust based on the new total length. Lastly, with SVG ANIMA Pro Export, you can modify the duration of all animations live. Thanks for following along, and see you soon for more SVG ANIMA tutorials.